What up sweetness, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making chili chutney, the chili chutney which my mother-in-law showed me how to make. So I would really appreciate it if you copy this video and share it with a friend on WhatsApp, upload it onto Facebook. But without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. So there you have it, your beautiful chili chutney that's going to go into the fridge. And I would say you can keep this in the fridge for about maximum a month, but I don't think it will last that long, because let me tell you something, this stuff is really good. Like, you can have it on your bread, have it on your boeries roll. I'm having it on chips, and let me tell you, it is delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to share it with your friends and try out this recipe, and let me know if you want more of these quick easy recipes in the comment section down below. As always, until my next video, stay sweet. I will talk to you soon. Or should I say sweet and spicy?